Here's something I hear all the time from people. They tried to order table numbers and ended up with 10 copies of the same number. What they really needed, of course, was a full set, like table 1, table 2, table 3, and so on. It happens all the time, and it can be so frustrating and costly when you're planning an event. So, in this short video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to order your table numbers the right way. Okay, in my shop on Zazzle, you can scan the QR code at the end of this video to get to my shop. Click on table numbers, then select a design. If you like this design as it looks here, this is the front, this is the back, just add it to cart. Okay. Now to design table number 2, just click on personalize this design and simply edit the words here. So you can do 2. This will do the front. There's the front and the back of the card. Now you can choose to change the font of the words here or the color. See? So you can choose to change that. You can even change the background. So here you can change the color of the background and it'll give you a completely different look for the design. Okay, just make sure when you change the background that you're changing the front and the back. Okay, so if you're happy with the design as is, this is table number 2. Click on next. This shows you the back. I'm gonna fix this because I moved a little bit. Choose the paper, the type of paper. This is fine, 120 pounds. Make sure it's vertical, that you're getting 1, then review it and add to cart. Now to do table number 3, repeat the process. So 3, make sure the front and the back. Next, next. Oh, we can, if you like. This now is way too big to my liking. So I'm just going to reduce the size. Okay. And make sure it's in the middle. And make sure that the back, so this is the front. I'm going to change. Here's the front. And here's the back. Okay. Next, options. Review it and add to cart. And that's it. Repeat these steps for all the table numbers you need, then check out. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.